Today I'm going to show you how I updated this desk I picked up on Marketplace and how I had to fix her leg. I was so excited to update this desk, and I set her up, and the nail that somebody previously used to repair the leg popped out, leaving a hole in a broken desk. I was frustrated. I wanted something fun and easy, and this is not what I signed up for, so she got put in my stash for months and months and ignored. And video boot camp came along and I needed a piece. I decided it was time to face my fear, get out my junk monkey paint, my Prima transfers, and figure it out. And I did it. She's fixed, she's beautiful, and she's got a new home. This leggy mama has a problem. One of her legs is broken off. The connector for it is gone. So we are going to get some glue, some wood screws, and we are going to fix her back up. Type Bond 2. This is a glue bot. You can get this on Amazon. Here, the bolt from before pulled out, so not good. Not a perfect fix, but once that glue kicks in, screws, I will fill in that screw hole, and this will be in good shape. I'm using air dry clay to fill in the holes that I made and the hole left by the nail that pulled out. You can use any kind of wood putty you want. Put this project off for months because I was afraid that I wouldn't fix it good enough. I was afraid that the desk was broken and nobody would want her. Anybody ever feel that way? I'm using Junk Monkey paint in the luscious color I'll Love You More. It doesn't need stripping, sanding, or priming. Just clean your piece, and as they say in the Junk Monkey family, go bananas. You can pick up the paint products I show in this video at rusticrehabs.com. I was able to cover this whole gal in about 2 coats of paint.
I think I said enough.
Repairing this piece gave me anxiety. I don't have a lot of experience doing repairs. I watch YouTube videos, I try things, and I try again. I do have a ton of experience though with anxiety. I've struggled with people-pleasing and anxiety, including panic attacks, since I was about 15 years old. It makes me feel broken, and I have to remind myself that it's just part of my struggle and that I'm still beautiful, even though this is part of my story.
For a second, yeah, you're being over your head, babe. 'Cause there is no one other than me that can make you feel the way you feel when I hold you. I think I said enough.
Starting a new business is one way to crank up your stress and anxiety for sure, but painting is something that actually helps relax me and fills my creative bucket. Here I'm applying the Antonia transfer by Redesigned by Prima. That ended up to be the name of the piece when I was all done too. If you struggle with anxiety and panic, know that you're not alone. I feel ya. Get help. Do your best. Take care of yourself. I do so well sometimes, and other things are a real struggle for me. And as I get older, I'm just trying to accept that this is just all part of it and learn and grow. Here I'm adding a couple of patches to the edges. I decided it needed a little bit more to complete it. And remember, things don't have to be perfect to be beautiful. I like to take a little piece of the backing from the transfer and burnish or really rub down all the little tiny edges to make sure that when I put the polyacrylic or wax on, it is really sealed in good. Sealing her up here with some banana peel and getting ready for the finishing touches. Don't ever, ever lose your sense of humor. These last couple of years have been exceptional for all of us. Whatever you struggle with, know you're not alone. Find a creative outlet, get help, lean on your friends, and celebrate those wins. Thanks for watching.
Down and you're 10 feet underground, when you're so deep you're about to drown, when you're in the lost and found, 'cause heartaches only last a day,